Hello guys and welcome. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up a Django and React.js project. We will be following the best folder structure for our Django React project. Okay, so we will be following this tutorial which is on my website studygyan.com. All the required links will be in description. Okay, so I'm going to keep my project code in this folder, Django React. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll change my directory, Django React, and inside that I will create a virtual environment. So virtual env. Okay, now I will activate that virtual environment dot env scripts. This will be something little bit different in Linux. If you are activating in Linux instead of scripts, there will be pins and activate. Okay, now we will install all the required libraries in our Django project. Okay, so in this we are installing pip install Django and Django REST framework. Once the library has been installed, we will create a Django project. So for that, Django-admin start project and my project. Okay, and hit enter. So if you can see, a project has been created. Now there are two folders with the same name. We will be renaming this outer folder with the name backend, and all our backend Python code will be inside this folder. Okay, now I'll open one editor. Okay, one more thing, now we'll change the directory. We will be using two terminals for our project, one for front end and one for backend. So we'll change the directory backend, and inside this I will create one app named Django front end. So Django admin start app front end and hit enter. So our app has been created. Now what we'll do some changes in our project. So in settings.py file we have to add this. So it is in my project settings.py file, and installed apps. We have to add this. Then we need to add the path for our front end. So in urls.py file, we'll add the front end URL, and in here include. Okay, now we'll create a urls.py file in this app, urls.py file. Okay, and inside that I have to paste this code. Okay, and in front end app we have to paste this code in the views. So basically in this url.py file we are loading this view, and in when we are going to create the project, React project, we will be loading that index.html file from that project. Okay, so this is the futuristic. We will be adding it afterwards. Okay, now we'll run the server and see if there are any errors or not. Yeah, so we do not find any errors if you go to the localhost 8000 port. Okay, so now the template is not existed, so we have to create a React.js project. So we'll open a second terminal, and inside that we'll create a front-end app. Okay, so first we'll change the directory Django and React, and inside that we'll paste this code. So for this we need to install Node.js in our system. Okay, so our front-end React.js app will be created here in this folder. This will take little bit time. So our React app has been installed and it is here. Okay, Now what we have to do, we have to change our directory cd frontend, and inside that we have to run npm run build. Okay, so whenever you are doing some changes in your React app, you have to run this command every time. Okay, now we have to do some finalizing Django setup. So we have to copy this code and paste it in my project settings.py file in templates directory. So we are telling that load templates from this front end folder. Okay, then we have to copy this and paste it below. So this will help us to load all the static files which is in the build static folder of front end. Okay, so I think everything is done. Now we can reload this page and see here our React.js is working on Django server. So this is how you can set up your Django React project, and I would like to tell you that we have created two folders, one backend and one frontend. So backend is used for Django Python REST framework, and frontend is used for React.js JavaScript projects. So all the Python codes files will be inside backend and all the codes will be inside frontend. So this is how you can create a Django React.js project and follow the best folder structure. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please give a like, share this video and comment below so that I can get motivated and make such videos for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.